Shimrah hoye in a KOROU Education Foundation with director ne co-founder ne ari itomping na discuss sagi with topic na government school hi kada matha sang saksido kaji hi Ukhrul wi context in discuss sagi jinne ari panelist room mida creeping we Miss Philachui Siro hina SSA with district coordinator ne we qualification na M.Sc B.Ed ne ari next by hina Sir Ningmareo Shimray ari katong secretary hina assistant headmaster modern high school Ukhrul wi ne we qualification na M.Sc B.Ed ne akba wi na Mayopam Keishing hina Meghshala wi Manipur state wi implementing manager ne ana Azim Premji University ri kopsang laga Manipur li otong sa da krine we akba we ming Vareishang Phungshok hoye ana Ura Trust we co-founder ne ara TISS we na kopshok laga kulli otsa da krine jen ara idhumna government school hi facilities ka tunga mida krine mida kreji government na khima mai mi kala ka hada mi ka ji ba he idhumna matha maida hiri otsa da kre Philachui we na tiong mai kang na se
India government India education system hi level madha thui ke chui level ji li jibam khabai wi wang matai la kai na education jail national bank singum tharuk en habok laga singum thada jishat fashung da li khalam education hi quality le la ka education hi samang sagra ke chui kharin nai na Ministry of Human Resource Development with Azim SSA da arava samagra shiksha abhiyan da sadhaire hi linka miye hiwi program hiwi kharin nava education hi shinau mayor now makhai langarai cha ina wordam sa banglungra kala wordam jilala quality leila gahai education hi national jibuli sambang sak lungra kala shekishnau bingla Mashay Gishino Bing Lang Raja, Ragaja education he Sambang Plura, Kachi government with Karine, Hui program Hui, Mataila Kahaya intervention being have a school infrastructure Matasang Kangasak, Kala government schools we Ocha being with salary he, Matamada Yang Sankami, Kala Ocha being with training, Kala Ocha being with education hila Matasang Kangasak, time to time hila training me the lay, Kala national being Larik tamhunai laga matam da laida clay bing wang la vocational training the singami da laye lang maida national bing jili claim in the school uniform la mi da laye national abuvali mamangli ba shamati 400 per child the like sahi ara 600 per child ka shungai re kala athumli free textbook la mi da laye hi kadam now akli 150 the primary level li upper primary 250 rupees ya da mi laye Kala school maintenance wivang chai kala school akli kadam now 50 kadam now ka shungai ro jai ka school maintenance wivang 25,000 mile 70 kadam now chai kala 50,000 and more than 100 ka 75,000 had middle school maintenance wivang they had the government na itum we wordam gashi kadam gashi we bongli mathala kai na raisang khafai wivang Talaga na young sung middle lake department changina to take me.
Ari chidai government win opportunities equal opportunities middle lay facilities kachunga middle lane. Chidai kava ari katada government school private school na performance mathamayo. Kulahi ari idam na sir ari win no we experience in na tiyo make a share kasami.
Resada government school line private schools being way performance assess sabai khwaiwang category kathumaina yang rumai number 1 HSLC result then HSLC result jana kakathumna sada elementary education Jiva class 1 to class 8 and the way performance. Itumna singum gathum hiri government schools being kala private schools being way result he khang heu tharan le private schools we performance na mathame khare kai ri yaruri hang haya khana ari government school he category ke thumai na le re CBSE ka autonomous district council ka jen school under education as he ri kendriya aina CBSE we GNV he khni he wa anu performance wa private school thada khamtha dada mathamai kap chi thada later performance mathara kai ka schools government schools under autonomous district council aina education s hiwi azinglik laibing hiwa private school suite hada mum tharam nei kamataya reason wa hi kajen khra khai jekha infrastructure government school infrastructure makham thawa ngai na minim nei kala oja we professional qualification khre oja khawada na minim nei ka kena khra khai jekha batai me kap ta weak administration ai na private schools na oja bingle kala katam naw bingle athum na supervise khra monitor mathame kharda sai kakhne sara khiwangai na private school na government school hide mathame okla chekha absenteeism of teachers and students government school we oja bingwa athumwa maram siri sara khainara school ma kakang bai school ma ka kha athumui pe mak tat manai kha private school wa oja bing maka kha pe ka dai ajondang iwe experience ang hangaw khichiba ihi school ga or da sa tam thran le maso naw bing na hangai yo ta no ba shuti ram gu ngai mre da hangai jainen hangai as iduma tolop ka za hi lemain ma jangai mne khiwang le jika iwa school ma ka sal government na tolop mi babam le ka iwa lemai na ka cha tolop chiwa iwanga morein da khuye jen iwa kare na thumma mukangai ka mukaro da khangai na thum nang chansa da as ithum ra kariya da hangai arui gatam na we absenteeism here he in oja sada government school here problem ka hagle da khaina je national being hina absence sak za adam thran le school li laidik tamchik thai je athumui wanga phap ta je sakla ga wai thang khani thang ka laga next day thang ga maka kadam thrane jiwi lesson an absent ga lesson tamchik thai je khanauriana lak kadam thran le a hi phap dar thui private school li ga thang le jikha kai ga private school li thai whatever be the reason 80% attendance maka kha final exam mathang sakmane kakathum sa punctuality government school we oja bing he hui da ka he toirak tale chimang machila school habu kai ka kanda shau khai wi the ngrang da ma ga sang private school kai khrewa hui da ka khrew da oja bing le ra explanation call sai ka khne hui ri kha absence sang meaw absence sang me ka fine khui government school we oja bing he we hang khaya kha le ji ba oja akhana thangka minute thra kuya dam thran le now shnau hi janjam sada awi class si mi hangthuk ne jawro jine chitai ka pung thra ana atam now shnau bing jiri we sami hene oja hi na pier tai ra minute thra ana huida wazangai ka now shnau hi mi hangthuk ka pung thra now shnau bing atam hi shman sak tak lai na je chitai ka ana period kuthum wa ka jewa pung thumra ana hi now shnau bing we atam hi shman sak tak lai na hang se ji ka now shnau bing we atam shman sak tak lai hi we sang sak tak lai hi hiwa serious sarak hai case nai now shnau bing we future aina khangreu nai da khuye ari Harvard School, private school ne, infalik ne, itum na pauk sha tishur dawa, bel tai rekha, oja bingwa bel matarang ka, awe kamong siri angani nga uda hangne. Bel da kreo da, oja hi shok kreo da, oja hi akha lazang ga jipache phat salo lazang auda atam hi national bing wiwang atam mashman masak made thang hai se kamateri na khigle jika PTR pupil teacher ratio maintain maksa mai Ukhrul district le hangsa jika hi school gotong government school gotong lewa relevant samdre khui ka dara kaina national chunglak aina tamdak lai Model High School, aina Ukhrul Higher Secondary School, hiwi PTR hi norm si maintain maksau hi serious sarak aina le dakhaine. Now being here, ari now being ishi school line hansika ari hi class 8 and 10 here. Me 80 plus nation. Class only now hung shut the Zangdak Lajre. Jiri meaningful lesson transaction Mokubaimne. Class Matada control Masabai Manage. Ari Infali Lamlar Pal School High School Jire. Katada Sadar Kritika now being here. Section akhre mi hangmati leune now being here na chungai rakha another section open sai lagachi mi hangmati mi chungmai laga section C open sare laga mi hangmati je ka Ukhrul leidakle ari serious saraga issue leidakle Ukhrul Higher Secondary School ina Model High School hire hiwi PTR he himam shungkhui rangai nungda norms ti apply masa rang khai nungda result mathara gasi hi masi sangmane kaphangare high dropout rate 2018 le now 80 plus hi model high school le tamsai hiwi dropout rate hi kya ka serious sagle jaga 25% kai mi hangshat plus siri me 20 plus he dropout sahine final exam mathamane high dropout rate he kajien khrakhle chika reasons trakhle ka khamatay higo katam nobing chi daily lesson he pap makata kopap masakhra hina khamatay sai ka he in athang cham hangai re PTR we he reflect sadak leine now chung da now bing jiri oja bing na mathada matam jithing matam seram ne jen now bing jina mathada matam stay thugada mathada phak mata thugada he dropout rate he traga high rate he traga chui ga haine kathugle shortage of teaching staff. My school kate trag later acute shortage of teaching staff. Ukhrul Rupai Model High School, Ngaimu High School, school gday trak laye acute teaching staff shortage later klahi kasang haine ka hide kiwaina government way school way performance here private schools way performance le jakshimeo chi shortage of teaching staff reason hi mangmani mako kiwangla jika Ukhrul town le leidak le oja khwad le ka acute shortage mlai mne ka kiwangai na Ukhrul town le leidak le government schools pingwe Directorate of Education as we azingli leidak le we government schools we result chaka chakshaw Kashmiri government oja bingwe lack of dedication are we government school way oja bing zangjang da atumwe naungra bing he private school hai kiwaina athumna government school ak sada kiwangaina athumwe na tamjithai raklai school jire mahai tho maramba hine government oja bingje government oja bajina a mashanava dedication later by ka awe colleagues ping jibingjina dedication malai thua ka a mahairam lai oja bajina awe naurahi ayali ghaije a mashana dedication makhreena awe colleagues pingjina dedication makhreena awe naura bihi government schools sili makhaine private schools pingne kahaine katada government schools way performance he katada mathasang sak sikre jika ina apong thumai na share sangai khare sada administration he strengthens sa phungra administration gajena ina hidada hangai principal wing headmasters wing schools wing way jena ZEO jena district administration ATC to be functionaries wing ni hang nak laine administration jayega school chiwe headmaster way concerned headmaster way chiwe administration mang siri kahang manim nai jena government schools way schools way performance se mathasang sakse chia kha arui headmistress ping principals ping ZDO office way kala district administration ADC being functionaries being here atum he proper coordination lai phungra kala athumna teachers being way kala students being way performance se athumna supervise kara monitor sa phungra mechanism he develop sa phungra itumwe absenteeism of teachers and students being here he check sa wang nextly PTR he maintain norms he maintain sa wang hotna phungra nextly dropout here school dropout here we record here he maintains sa phungra kala preventive measure he implements sa phungra ari related la he dropout here serious saraga issue nai ก็จะคิวบังเลยจะก็ national บิงเจ drop out ซาเฮอาทุมเฮอาทุมมิรินเจพนิงอิทุมนะจุกมจีวาร์ก็ลุมชนะกันเจน่ะ drop out เฮrecord to maintain ซาระก็ละ schools บิงเฮ government schools บิงเฮpreventive measure เฮ implement ซาระก็ละโอจาบิงเฮ punctual สักไว้บาง mechanism เฮ administration นะ develop ซาประกาศใส่ก็คือนี่ community participation RTE we strategy attitude da community ownership ko che he adopt sa jine hiri RTU asingli SMC schools management committee da form sai hiri community we participation he laibai khwai wang da hi composition here about 90% plus here community waina khwe ara iwi thai ko khiri hi ta hangai je ba community ownership ka je here school hi community waina ka je he je RTA khwe we policy ne je idum na district level Ukhrul district we context na han jika village tri church the run ga saba school je jiba je itum community je government we jiba je ba itum ma khnin thai kha ka chang khat fa government na sadak le he itum na phap ta jiba na ba community we nai ka je he school je itum we community we nai itum na school hi manage sa ka je ne ka je he phap tang sa ngai in shama we yo jena ka ka thumli na khigle je kha government school hi matha sang sak sai je kha le me kap ta itum na khisa rakrai je kha national government school in national being le first mong chairang ka government school le oja hi deme thuida chaira katha da oja being hi first chaira khra ka chi hi national being chai khwai wang ka chi hi iwi personal experience na hangowe 2017 le in a handwriting how to write well and how to write fast Arabic numeral line alphabet se in a school le class 1 to 10 introduce sai hiri how go for introduce sadam tranle e mashana he tam thaye single handedly e practice traga sai hiri you wang a challenging saragai you wang ra kachot trak sampangai hagu phok adam ranle i he left hand khi thai i adam ka sang jangai left hand khi thai you speed slow sam yawe ka thak sang maman tha sang maman ai kara in he implement sadam ranle ka thak lai jika national being taraka iwi handingly mathak maimang mninga thak khamai sangawe 2018 le in a new strategy of learning and teaching of mathematics in a class 5 class 8 class 10 le introduce sai class 5 he at the end of the year le katha hle jika at the end of the year le national ko tong je pass out class 5 se class 8 le first monthly exam level 95% he fail sane 5% he pass sai then second monthly test le in a strategy apply sadar damsranle the other way around took place jivan 95% pass away 5% mang fails away class 10 le for the first time singum hang through kaine one student got 84%. Now by here district way government school way district way Ukhrul district way topper na
Ari sir are we did next pari discussion ni ung now seng yerda ari tau sang we ina community we involvement je ari sir are na mention sa khai ba je chipa jre na we take we kêu mày cả share some here
government GDP li spend sa le athumui aje ko moi target thi 6% ne aruri athum na rasung the achieve sa khai 4.6% le itu moi demand ba yaru bing demand ba government na arui hangda khai khamtha sami dang le tong ji chung mai khar da GDP chung mai da sang mi lo kala national bin yang sang mi lo ji itu mai demand ne yaru chong wai na kala ra itu community na participate sa ji tran 이름 Tangkhul 나오빙이 닉상락 레고 다이렉트 담기실리 economic survey 아까 살리 India we district only Ukhrul na number 2 리장 education pesa spend sai 제네 이tum이 하이상아이 당레라 community 땡데다 na church na association level na school traga set up sadle kale 이tum이 jingum le pesa trara haisang laga contribute sadle 이tum이 school bingi run sadle invest sadle kat jita kam mai na government we school la ha village le ha same le government school la le church we school la le yarui na run sa school le jikhni ni barrels ba le tong ing room gi la ga government na mi khai ji matha nam sing barrel le ji idum yarui bing wat sa phai kal hi mu chung ro mu chuk la ga wat ngak khui phai achon hong we survey a le Tangkhul now he 50.7 he migrate sa dang le village wen Ara school thadam lei thu government school run thadam thadu yarui na public na private na run ma sar re na Ukhrul li kala headquarters ping le wala ga lairik patam dang le 50.7%
Ukhrul party market
Ukhrul li migrate sa dang le Imphal li ta dang le atu mu hi thadam room sar dang le ka main factor hi lairik dam shui facilities mak le wen you know government na miro je ga government na facilities arui tra ga sha gai ji ma thalai implement sa dai kala yarui na itum nam thalai accept sa la ga khani phaptang hum khungrok li od manga khui da sai re ji yu thei li da tra ha concern le la hang sangai
okay ni share do sang ari thaga ba community we involvement darkar sai re ji khaine school government school im tha sang sak se je ga thaga idam na ji intervention ki ga preventive step mu hui rang ga ji we main problems ping jin ki ka da da tha mai da taker sa ra ga ji ba je ari Mayopam win nastu Mayopam win
okay so ari issue we department joina Philachui na government na katha da ithumai education hi kotong khaling rin sabrak lag jim thalagan facility mi da jim thalagan hang mere sarareu na la we experience ati shuda katha da improve sara ji hangai focus salagai na kiglali community participation katha da le rakle katha da leng sangai lag ji liberation hang mere ari we observation li hita da le iwi hila iwi opinion babam ne ina thada sai ka observe ka sali ithumi society bing hi government school hi mam tha phlong ne ji hi naturalize sa khai dai athumi ningli perception hi bill sa khai dai kala hi certain maram tra kha le re ka jangat ba hi hila proof meaning ne government schools na takshi me private schools na matha me ji examples are there are schools like Kendra Vidyalaya Lidale, Navodaya Lidale, which are doing fairly better than private schools. Then Chitran Itumi Ningbahi government school Mam Taplung ni Jena Hiwakam now being Mukley being the Vagi, the Tamgi school neither Itum society being the Chita layout look Hiwakangjana government school Mam Tapai from the Legaitran delay that as it is the Leogijini. And you observation he madam being Ikatadam may Ragla Jilaga, you will my society being the young Ralaga school ka jik tha ba government school ka jik tha ba oja bing na commitment le la ga na yang sang mi da khle le ba me ka more than 50% schools it exists only in name kala oja ma le gi ni lack of infrastructure I thumli government schools li building le sare achuai na le sare chungkhmai li desks bench mung din le sare or safe drinking water I thumli ma le mane I thumli toilets separate for boys and girls the khalim malay the limne chungkhmai chi tha de le laga simli ali samphang da khle oji school sili masang phangji tran awa wa ping jile hesitant sa phang katam naw ping jili school li enroll government school enroll sagi ja jena at the policy level matha na khai ni mi da khle je ka implementation di shoy de ji observation ni jena gang sarario na hang khai da the lack of administration hi government chong when le da khle da thei bu me in la I'm sure kigla la pom da klinda Philachui la pom da klinda anala correction mi la bai ka ina ka theli atumna monitor ka sai wadawai de la pning suppose certain amount hi certain fund hi certain kigla hi hiwang ne da mi ga dam chi tran ji wa shung lag la sa da le la ga ji ma thala ga monitor mak sa da theli the iwi observation wa chili ta da le
okay ari thaga ba sarario yong rios hap mak da ga ni really five sak ngai jang tle muyom bom na taw sang na ari nan hang da kri no last point ba ji touch sa dre community we involvement plus ari RD ekri SMC ri ki puar mi ai plus je community mi ki chungana mathai mani ta shan kui plus je ka da community ping ni empower mi ai kre che ping je ye ri re teu mai ka hang mi sak ngai
SMC hi RT ekuya Azim le form sa khang sak ne RT na mandate sa ai ne mandates mi hai ne awe SMC we he functions he kapai manim ne kresada SMC na school development plan he SMC ne same ne school way infrastructure tagar sa kala ojaw requirement he tong school development plan he kazang ne jimang mujira SMC re drop out pingle mang maning da enroll maksa school enroll mak sabing jen nang dara athumli community jiri leader kle enroll mak sa drop out pingje katong chi athum chiri mana hoiraga athumli special training miraga athumli school le athumwe singuma thishulda RT we ekwe athishulda athumle school le admission hi ming saksin je chimang machira athum hi ocha bingwe regularity aina punctuality nang dara athum na check sane even child rights we protection jen nang dara national bingle ocha bing na muchbat khwaiwang haras masa khwaiwang jen nang da athum na yang ka sang nai ara ire iwe opinion tada mi ngai baba aruri leda khle MC he functional masamne jena itumna government na mida khle provision sambhang ran community jire mida khle sambhang ran je he kata da sambhang khle je ka SMC he functional sapung SMC coordination lai phung athumwe functions and powers mingjira athumli ra hang phung le je chitha khamang community binghina schools government schools bingwe sambang lan je sambang shapru da khuye case khamang hangoge say school Ukhrul district ire oja hi school fada rok sina taka RT ek artificial da SMC sem khai ne sina kala right to education hi fundamental rights ne sina chi thai ka SMC na concerned authority ri miran samang ranje masam bhang tharan le chiri athum na petition mixang adam tharan le concerned authority ba che court we contempt sai vai bang court ne action mu khoi vai bang che chiri athum we SMTC through aina school being government school being na sambang ran oja sambang ran la or facility sambang ran la sambang bai apong le kasi he share sang ai
chok chiri matai sang kai mi le from anyone
itu mo ya nungli yarui bing we responsibilities la trahle aponga li school oja ka iram li posting dat le iram jina kya ham tha do welcome sat le kala li pam ngai vai kala li sui kui lo itum nim tham mi da service mi khai ji itum villages ping na government we staff ping li kya ha effort mi le te le ji question track sai mo khra bing ji ba jo ji wa thu mu shin ka rai ka the welcome sa kui le ji challenges ka gwan ne kalam tai la kai na oja ha na aram ma shali posting ba tang ngai le le bo jena hi ba hi oja ba jin na ka cha ram ni tai ka ba full dedication mi lo ga sak shop ka ji ba hi sak wai ji ba hi ibo government ni chong na transfer policy le lo khira ka lo oja ba na la commitment le lo ga ji tra ka pressure mi ngai matai la ne economic impact li ji ka government school li ba tam ka free ne class 12 ne free ne private school li tam ka ba ukhrul li shang tam ka ba minimum zinguma class LG jen hobo la class 12 ne da ai 10 lakhs to 13 lakhs pen sign chili awi porting lipom sa ji ga jiwang te ngai ga chang li 3500 then expenditure tra hang de ni kalai thu mui naung rai na vung awa bing we relationship li la tra ha sa ji thak na dang ba khai jen hi government we measures ba hi thak da rai ga kalai thum yarui na acceptability hi government we ot mi da le I thu mui ne da khui ga ba ot ma tra khui pai je de ji
okay
chung rum me
ta mi ke we na chok pira chui
community participation jera jikha ta ari panelist trak na la hangai re government chongai na la matha makeup ge level kala quality langwai da lansi ni pong na trak ka government na ituni mi da thaina wa arava itungwe community bai hana wa government na A to Z miao ga da Meghshala na mi da klei sa ga da 100% government depends sa haidla let's say one example school Paujam high school achakum inspection ga da ne chili ashwe khamong hi kai la ga lei da klei la kuna ba government li thingaya kha pam kidong nampingi je government li depends ha ji da
pata sang mi ji
yes aja villagers being khuli later claiming SMC member being a khajin na just akai ma sang shungai sani jwa till at least communities are participating in some areas ke issue we A to Z current government bali depends ha thuyo joinam government mashana la spot jili da sim sho lang bong da or atam ge chi da available va masar lak mai kha cha da la expect lam sa bai ji ne ke itu mi ba he na va government ma da depends ha thyo da itu mo na ki ga voluntary service mi ra ge ji ba he ningli chu kham ju cha ma lai ji tra ke li ge da khawat ji la school li va de ji la khawat ji la community or villagers bi da yang sang mi sa ni ji va education system la bai infrastructure la bai am tha me kha da ran sa ra school ba ji le kala midday meal we hilila ina hangai ji ba wa ara Kerala state vak pa jawa midday meal hi miza thangwan hi school na mi ka zamang chi na ma shabhai la awa wa bing ji na ka shakaza nutritional food thi mi phungra jawa da khu ji le da kle hunting hana or ka shakaza sa ka ba athum na mi la ga ja da miza ga ji da national bing hile cha service mi ji aina school we administration mangli maning la kadam na ba shung da atum he health nutrition hi sambang ai ji da college government kharin ji la ji ba shung shabai ji da government itu mu so long as itu mu participation mle ran khain tang da government kharin hi ma ba shung lang mre ji ba ji hangai ji sa ne jaina the meeting a ka sa ge ji la every month he parents teacher meeting lay he ba hi sakla ngai nei thum SMDC no khiming yila ka hi ba hi SMDC le 100% empower sa jine government na fund kami ko ong hi hili sitin ge jila abong hili sitin ge jila SMDC le full power mi hai ne chubane SMDC member aka sada or ava ka sada atumui participation hi full participation hi school management or maintenance litra khatar gar saye chaina da itum akai na khala open da share sang rok man lagala itumi service individual service la pai community service la pai hitaka hit ohina phamai ro jibaje collective sala kai na obin shokai la itum government shongai na la approach sa se gi hila da hangsangai
okay
actually machan sanghai akana itum society li blame game hi tra kha le arila hangse ji ga akhana community na khawat ni jira community li khangana dam jran community na school li blame sara school li khanga dam jitra tum the functionaries being blame sali department so there's a lot of blame game that is happening in the field and hangai pa no education ga jen education improve sang sak se jen it's not a single entity stakeholder ko tong ji ungjang laga ithum ot sang rum laga improve sa ji ni community ot le sare khigla school we atum oja bing otung rud le sare kala department ju otung rud le sare ji la table akha ji li khrajan sa laga atum na collaborate sa laga collegiality akha we along ji le approach ji jen khui laga ot sa ji wa improvement ni ra la pai instead of blaming akhli akha pen akhna akhli pen laga gubam bali ya the I ji da khui
I don't think she said it are ji wi rebab sa dam da khene chena concluding remark moina community rindom na ki message sangai ki message mingai je mia bu na minute abu khumiro daga ina concluding we kiga outcome gro remark je mi kwai sawe we have only 10 minutes go
community bingni dal hangai government schools hi community bingwine community na through SMC hena manage sa jene kala hira da hangai ide jeba school we tagar ka sa khawat samangran samgopang saikore hi SMC hi hiri RTE na maintained meow kala right to education jina fundamental right saugda SMC hi functioner saraga through SMC na itumna sabang ran je sambang khawai sa se je hangai
jo ni share next
ithumuli yarwina la phaisa tra haisang dele government la phaisa tra haisang le education wang da haisang da le li mia ho wang haisang ai la ga mi ba jina ba matong za la bom dei hang khai le lai tam le Jenny to me, government R1 ML commission program the Singada living in Itum community being Thailand accepts us. At the same time, itum Musamong to run government itum Taklagina approach Salaga, itum the pressure committee, Tagasami, government the promise trucks are Kalatum with policy level Limuk Jachan, walk out Sakan, itum the Matana, prepare Salag Bomji, itum Kangran the Garsai, Shangui.
Okay. Joe, then you
community li anikni na chida da hangai ji thade ila jibaji support la sai jili mangmaning la community mangli maning la my appeal to all the teachers as well government school oja bingyang it's not a job that you are in it's a service and it's a very noble service that you have been giving and that you are giving na nothum we commitment ji la chithei mi lo kala nothum commitment ka chithei ji katam na we enrollment kala katam na we outcome yang awi katam gisili la reflect sa babam re sarareo na hangai da the teacher absenteeism it's very much prevalent in government schools jeni hiba hi athum ot paji athum service paji matha da sami si je phare ji paji hangai kala at the department level recruitment sagi ji laruri la more than 50% oja hi recruit sagi da le da klini ka chen dang da masala pam da klini Vareishang na la da hai 6 GDP propose kigla percent chosangi ji funding ji we are spending at around 2-3% the Juvangan itumi recruitment in the Masala later clean. Less number of teachers in the Maram Akasalaga, Katum now enrollment in the Malay government school, defang Salaga later clean. Then the Chipaji recruitment in the link. Lack of infrastructure, government school administrative level, the monitors Hamirano. There are schools in Atanganga which exist only in name, in paper only. Kawajitran school jil Malaysia, Lay Salala, I mean, we among Kalian, Kalitra, Kalibumdali. The Jigataji Latum, the Kachek Samisija, administration level, and Atum, the communitor Samisija, Jining Shilagre.
Okay.
In a community being Hangai Jiva, it weaker section or disadvantaged section of the government the fund free and middle clay. Himanga in the Matangala, itum the willing salina. Government middle Kalaya, Shuruk Jiloquira, Kalaitum service la Mishanaga, Matakama education system here. In a bum duckly, in a ring duckly, a bum cujily. Make up good education, the Singara clerk, Gachuwi, Ningrin, he interest he, not to go only link, Sagai, just hire cover, itum the shoy duckly he, Traga, Mushoy Salala, 100% Vashunger Salala, Junkamaya percent itum he, success hire, Kitty he, Tangam Tankavarasare, Chivina, is a true discussion, he doesn't go upon Hiena, community Sagoran Tumila. Interest na may kaarda education hili government magni depend masahila itumi dikaran itumi shuruk la khilak thala gaji he tyo may shaga contribute sami laga itumi wordom itumi Tangkhul sawada matha kam education system hi build up sa se ki chiba he hang sangau ke
okay ara ning shi sere participants ping ne kala shi we concluding remark aga sa da kala ishi we outcome ba jana hine government school he with tax, no with tax, it may school. Tangkhul society, Mainsada, Ukhrul district, Paisara yang Atam Taran. Government school, he sense of ownership Mulim. China community being his sense of ownership, they say, shareholders being Ocharan no, SMTC don't know, government, we administrator being no, we have to work together. NGOs being his younger. Chida the Sagava. Miavu na idum role and responsibility he queen rock that vagaba idum government school him matasang rishitra G at example minadaga we kick a mioge school chivery teachers absenteeism jaiga idum nam sabai government recruit sara and we are the government. Second one of administrator being a school katori attendance madame vayu bang chowgada are we biometric key school ka chibuna sang mi cover school ojabing we attendance mathamira punctuality phamira china kan nawa sada hangai point panava hine ari government school him mathasang sakse jika ithum ka tonga otsang rum kijne otsak rum kijne kala government school he once mathai gava class nursery and habok class 12 in tangda government school li tamai gava chui paisa baje safe sa wiraga naungrabing na M.Sc B.Ed tambaki jiri shichin bae chimang muning na idum society wi economic ra mathasang ra gaji isi wi out discussion wi outcome na ji wi take ni shirak thank you everybody.